All right, 2001 Lexus IS 300. Put a catback, I think it's Greddy system, Greddy. I don't know how to enunciate it. Anyways, so it's got factory converters up there, the factory converter right there, and that's where we bolted it in right there. Mid resonator all the way back, a muffler right there, whole 3-inch system all the way out. Took all the factory stuff off, ran out the back like that right there. So there it is. And then here's the old stuff back here that we took off right there. Old stock muffler, stock mid, where we unbolted it and everything. And that's the system he brought us as well. I'll try to find it online and put it in the description. But yeah, so there it is. I'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. A lot better, yeah? Here's sound decibels. At 102. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
(2012) Infiniti G37S. We just did a muffler delete on it. We told them we're going to put it on the gram. So here we go. Here we go. Sounds really nice. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.